Hi, I'm Giselle from overnightartist.com, and in this video I want to show you how to make this beautiful Happy Halloween card. So let's go ahead and start. First we're going to use yellow cardboard paper for the card itself. I have a piece of sanding paper which is number 150 and it's black. And I actually cut it so that it will fit the size of the card with a frame, leaving a frame around it from the yellow cardboard paper. And we're also going to need some kind of light color pencil so that we'll be able to draw on the black sanding paper. And I have these oil pastels that I got on Amazon. First we're going to draw the pumpkin. It's going to be in the center of the sanding paper. And make it small enough so that you'll have room to write happy on the top and Halloween on the bottom. So let's say we're going to do it like this. Nice and wide. And the stem. Swirl and a leaf. Okay, now we could also write happy over here. And Halloween on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to start coloring the pumpkin. Take your orange, go over the outlines, very smooth oil pastels, fun to work with. That was the orange. Now we take the yellow orange and add some of it close to the orange. Now we're going to take the orange yellow, which is lighter, add some more, and with the extra space that we have we're going to use the chrome yellow pastel, which is the lightest yellow, and actually go over the entire thing, more or less. Now we're going to add some more of the orange on top to blend the colors together. And our pumpkin is ready. Okay, now we're going to take green for the stem and do the swirl also, and our leaf. Just paint it in like that. Now we're not going to write the Happy Halloween now with pastels, but first we're going to do the entire background with slanted lines like this. Now go over the Happy Halloween very lightly so you still see it a bit. Now this technique you could use for any other card that you wish to do. You can use it for a happy birthday, for other drawings to do and hang on the wall. It's a lot of fun and easy to use. Just you need the oil pastels and the black sanding paper. Now we're going to write Happy Halloween with our orange yellow. Happy. Okay, now this is ready, and I think I'm going to use the black to make a face over here. Well, you don't have to, so let's try. Start out with the nose, like this. 2 triangle eyes, like that. And big smile. Make some triangles on the mouth to form the open mouth. Okay, the smile, as you see, really goes up till the eyes on the side. That's it with our drawing and coloring. Now we're going to take our glue gun and just put some glue in the background. And stick it on. That's it. That's our Halloween card. Please let me know if you liked it by rating. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website www.overnightartist.com. Bye-bye.